In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Cryptozoo in Infinite Craft. So this is very easy, just follow my tutorial and my steps. Now first you need water plus earth, and you will get a plant. Then you want to combine this plant with another plant, which will give you a tree. Now, in order to get the next one, we need the wish. So the wish will be obtained with plant plus the wind, and you get a dandelion. And then if you combine tree with the dandelion, you get wish. And now if you combine wish with a tree, you get money. And then put money to the side, and we're gonna continue. You wanna combine water with fire, and then with fire again. You get the engine. Wanna combine this with engine, you get the rocket, and you wanna combine the rocket with another rocket. Put that to the side, and then we need another engine plus a steam, and then another rocket, so we get a bullet train. And then if you combine bullet train with a satellite, you get internet, and if you put internet and money, you can guess what you get. It's Bitcoin, okay? And now you want to combine Bitcoin with fire, you get crypto, and then you put this to the side, and then you need another dandelion to combine that with earth. There you go, flower. And then you want to combine this with a flower, you get a garden. And if you combine this with a garden, you get a park. And if you combine this with a garden yet again, you get a zoo. And then if you combine crypto with the zoo, you get Cryptozoo. And that's it.